Imagine in labor pain and working for hours only to find a health facility to give birth. Well, this is a regular situation that pregnant women in Bahata and Grand Jida County goes through. According to the only midwife in the town, Helena Cooper, the lack of adequate health facility in their area is like a life and death issue.
We the women that are in the town here, nothing else for us to say we'll do here besides the family work. Besides the traditional midwife that are doing here now. We are not getting nothing from other area. When people grab anybody here, we can take them from here in the net. So now we told them in wheelbarrow, so now we told them in motorbike, we go.
How far is total from here?
When you are walking, about 2 hours. Sometimes we get some women that they can deliver the highway, bring them back in town. We just carry the report see about them, we bring them back. There's no bed waiting home in Toaston.
As Deconti Charter explains, their health situation is worsening by the day and wants health authority to come to their aid.
Yeah, Gabriel in Toaston.
What time?
Gabriel yesterday.
And what thing happened to you?
Yeah, our imping our walk on the walk go Toaston, no motorbike. Nothing here. So walk go Toaston, I in Toaston at the door.
And how far is Toaston? How far?
3 hours walk.
What about you?
I want so they must bring clean here.
When they bring clean here, what thing happened to you?
Now I was saying if I will stay calm.
Which I get?
I bought you. No, never for to call ambulance.
So how you felt when you're walking a long distance? Right?
My whole foot hurting me.
Which I get?
I bought you.
Nothing happened to the child?
Yeah.
You see the child already?
The Bahata, located in Grand Jida County, has residents of over 1,000 people without a public school or clinic. And in the wake of the Ebola virus disease crisis, residents in rural Liberia are still finding it difficult to access health facilities, as walking of pregnant women while in pain to seek medication is more troubling and requires urgent attention. This story was produced with support from RX, funded by USAID. And I'm Julius Compton for Channel 6 News.